What's going on, everyone? Joe here with Good Old Scratch Custom Apparel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, the like, the bell, all the whatever. I'm tired. Sports! Let's talk about sports today. In case you didn't know how sports works, there's sport team 1, sport team 2. They compete. One of them wins. Yes. Which then creates sport team supporters. Sport team supporters galore. And they want to support their team. How do they do that? Usually with some sort of apparel or flair that supports their team with their logo on it. Yeah. I don't watch sports, as you can tell. I don't understand it, but I'm also a bandwagoner here in Detroit, so when teams are doing well, I'm like, yeah, go team, exciting. And you want to kind of show your support the best way you can. So the best thing about apparel business is you can customize it any way you want. And I had a customer that reached out with a rush order that she wanted 24 transfers done for her team in South Carolina, I believe. And this all stemmed from a Facebook group. I guess that sport team won, and everyone was kind of looking for some sort of apparel to be able to represent that team. And she had a really, really cool logo and wanted to get some transfers done. So that's what I did today. It was a very quick rush order. She needed them out by today to get them in a couple days. But I guess these people are hounding because the team won something. Congratulations. But what's cool is now all those supporters are going to have an awesome shirt to go with it. I really like this logo.
Pause.
Not for that reason, but because it was a very interesting, cool logo to print, because it kind of captured everything that you can do with a print. The colors were really deep and dark, which I prefer, but it had a distress side to it, which is usually pretty tough to target. You know, screen prints can do that, but like in the vinyl world, getting a distressed look was tough. If you had a large format printer, you could do the same thing and print a design that had a distressed look, but like cutting distressed things was very difficult. This was a logo where you really couldn't do with just regular vinyl. If you had a printer of any other sort, of course you could do it, but the Prestige R2 Pro nailed exactly what this logo needed, which means that the overall finished good is going to come out fantastic. I'm excited to see what she does with this. And this is also, again, the rushed side of the transfer stuff can be annoying. I look at any order I get as a rush order, but you know, this day and age, everything's got to be instant gratification, and this was a prime example of something that needed to be done quickly. And I got that done fast thanks to the DTF setup with the Prestige R2 Pro and the Miro 13 Max, and being able to cater to a small business that might be doing apparel, or just people that love this side of creativity, being able to do something like this to help build around in their local community. Now, right now, it's the beginning of September 2025. School is just starting.
Oh, back to school, to prove to Dad that I'm not a fool.
Which means that more sports things are going to come up. And not only that, but more organizations, events, things like that that kick off the school year. I mean, for the parents out there, you guys know some sort of school event or organization that your kid is involved in is going to probably need some sort of apparel, whether it's representing their sports team or the school name or something. And that's where, if you're creative with artwork and you can work with those schools, this is an opportunity to start building a business off of, or expanding your current business and offering this to your local school. And obviously, being able to print your own transfers is huge, but in this day and age, where now, thanks to DTF, you can get 24 transfers. You don't need to order minimums. That's all I wanted to show today. Just a quick video. 24 transfers, rush order again, knocked them out. Really, really happy with the design. Learning that sports is more and more important to people than ever, and that's awesome. I'm not trying to be condescending. I'm just playing around, and I'm really tired. But you guys can do the same with your own DTF setup. If you want that, check out the link that's in the description below. If you want me to do custom transfers for you like I just did in this video, leave some comments and I'll get back to you in a rush order style. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave comments if you have any questions as well. I'll get back to everybody. And please, please, keep being a rock star.
I was thinking quite a lot about